Khimnani. I am back again with the next video, grade 5 subject EVS. In last video we have completed our fourth chapter and that was the mangoes round the ear. In that we have learned about how the food gets spoiled, how we can check the expiry date of the packet foods, and yes, how to make the aam papad at home, that we have learned in the last chapter. Now today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is unit 5, seed, seed and seed. This is my chapter name. What is the meaning of chapter name first of all? क्या है ये seed? So seeds are the things which we are using as a raw also. सबसे पहली चीज आती है, जैसे हम सीड के बारे में बात करते हैं, so what is the thing is coming in our mind, which seed we are cropping in a garden or in any area to grow a plant. ऐसा seed जिसका यूज हम लोग करते हैं to grow a plant, that is called the seeds. But here in this chapter we are going to discuss about the different kinds of seeds which we are maybe using directly. ऐसे भी seeds होते हैं which we are eating directly without any process. We are not growing in a plant but we are eating directly. Yes, some other seeds which we are growing in our field and then we are using their fruits which are occurring from that plant, the flowers maybe which are creating with that plant, that flowers also we are using, the fruits and the vegetables also. उन seeds को grow करने के बाद जो भी vegetable, fruits या flowers grow होते हैं, that also we are using. So here in this chapter we are going to discuss about the different seeds and how we can use it. That topic we are going to discuss in this unit. Okay, I hope you will get so many new things in this lesson. So here first we have to start with the story of Gopal. Here one boy is there, Gopal, with his mother. He is living in a home and they are discussing about the summer holidays are going to come. They are talking कि हमारे holidays आने वाले हैं. So गोपाल की जो मासी की फैमिली है, it means their मासी's family are going to come to their home to spend their holidays. उनके घर पे गेस्ट आने वाले हैं. मासी's family is coming to the home for the spending holidays. Yes, we know that in summer vacation you are also going to your nanihal. It means आप अपनी नानी के घर जाते हो. Maybe you are going to your aunt's place, your friend's home for spending the holidays very nicely. So here also Gopal's Masi's family is coming to their home for spending the holidays. At the night time, mother has told to Gopal, soak 2 small bowls of chanas. Here we are talking about chanas. यहाँ पर गोपाल की मम्मा ने उसको बोला, you have to go in a kitchen and soak 2 small bowls of chanas. Chanas also in English we can say as a gram. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Gram. I will show you the photo also here. This is a picture of chanas. So here in this lesson, Gopal's mother is telling to Gopal to soak. Soak का मतलब क्या होता है? Soak it means to keep the chanas in water. चना डाल के एक बाउल में एंड गोपाल हैज टू कीप अ वाटर इन दैट. उसमें वाटर डाल रहे हैं उसको एंड द फॉर होल ऑफ द नाइट द चनास विल बी देयर इन द बाउल ओनली विथ वाटर. उसकी मम्मा ने ऐसा बोला कि उसको 2 स्मॉल बाउल्स ऑफ चनास ही हैज टू सोक इन अ वाटर. किसमें सोक करना है? इन द वाटर. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? गोपाल वेंट टू द किचन. देन ही kept the around 2 small bowls of chanas in a bowl. उसने एक बाउल में 2 chanas डाले. Then he thought this is not enough. We are around 8 to 10 people. How it is possible 2 small bowls of chanas will be enough for 8 people? So according to his thinking, गोपाल ने अपनी thinking के हिसाब से he pour around 4 bowls of chanas. कितने बाउल्स डाल दिए उसने chanas के? 4 बाउल छोटे चनास के डाल दिए पानी में सोक करने के लिए. He thought that is not enough, so what he did? He soaked the 4 bowls of chanas in the vessel. Vessel it means बेटा एक बर्तन में, जैसे कि किसी भी बर्तन में उसने बाउल में या किसी बड़े बर्तन में सारे 4 बाउल ऑफ चनास उसने सोक कर दिए विद द वाटर. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग व्हाट हैपेंड? His mother was not aware कि उसने 4 बाउल डाले हैं. She just told to put us 2 small bowls. But Gopal was thinking कि वो enough नहीं होगा, so he soaked around 4 bowls of chanas. So next day morning, chanas were overflowing from the vessel. Overflowing it means जैसे कि मैं आपको बताऊँ कि overflow क्यों हो गया. When Gopal was pouring the simple chanas in the water, जब वो water में डाल रहा था तो उसको दिखने में लग रहा था बहुत कम है, that is not enough. So he poured 4 bowls. सो जब पानी में कोई भी चना, या जैसे कि हम बात करें कोई भी सीड, इफ एनी सीड, एनी पल्सेस, और वी कैन से मूंग, चना, XYZ, whatever we are keeping in water, in the morning time, next day morning, the chanas will be the pulses, seeds, जो भी हम लोगों ने भिगोया है, that will go overflow, यानी वो थोड़ा फूल जाएंगे। जैसे कि उसमें पानी मिलता है तो पानी की वजह से वो थोड़ा फूल जाते हैं। तो यहाँ पर भी वही सिचुएशन हुई। नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग चनास वर ओवरफ्लोइंग फ्रॉम द वेसल। जैसे कि मैंने बताया वेसल इट मीन्स एक बर्तन में उसने जिसमें चना भिगोया था, द वाटर वॉज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द चनास एंड द चनास वर ओवरफ्लोइंग फ्रॉम द वेसल। वो वेसल में से बाहर निकल रहे थे बिकॉज इट वॉज टू मच अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेसल, बहुत ज्यादा भिगोए थे उसने। So what his mother told, उसकी मम्मा ने बोला, how you have done this? I told you 2 bowls. Why you have poured 4 bowls? So he told कि मुझे लगा enough नहीं है, so that's why I have soaked the 4 bowls. But that are too much for us to eat. वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए थे after soaking. So now what his mother told, half to cook and half to sprout. उसकी मम्मा ने ऐसा बोला, now don't worry, leave it. Now what we will do, half we will cook today. आज आपकी मासी की फैमिली आने वाली है ना, so आज हम लोग हाफ कुक कर देंगे, यानी हाफ की हम उसकी सब्जी बना देंगे या उसको कुक कर देंगे, एंड द अदर हाफ वी विल डू स्प्राउट्स। नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्प्राउट्स? लेट मी क्लियर दैट स्प्राउट इज वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. Sprouts are very nutritious. Why? Because they are having the all kinds of vitamins, proteins for our body, and they are giving energy and strength to our body. Doctors are also suggesting to the sick people or the persons who are very thin, who are very weak, the doctors are also suggesting them to eat the sprouts because sprouts हमें energy और strength देते हैं. So here I will show you one picture of sprouts. How the chana become the sprout? कैसे चना sprout बन जाता है? Just see the picture. आपको दिख रहा होगा कि ऐसे ना जैसे चना के ऊपर, जैसे सपोज ये चना है तो उसके ऊपर ये ऐसे करके कुछ साइन निकल रही है, राइट? यहाँ पर देखो, ऐसे चना है सपोज, शॉर्ट चना, उसके ऊपर ऐसे लाइन दिख रही है. Why this is what? This is the sign of sprout. कि अब वो चना स्प्राउट बन चुका है. That is the sign of sprout. So now, before learning about the sprouts, I'll start with the things why we have to soak it. हम ऐसा, मैंने आपको जैसे पहले बताया कि चना was soaked in the water for overnight. Why it is soaked? So here that I will tell you things soaked before cooking. Sprouts कैसे बनते हैं उससे पहले हमें ये सीखना पड़ेगा कि why the sprouts, why the pulses, seeds and other dals, chana, moong, why we have to soak it. So for that let's learn something. Chana, moong, rajma and pulses and rice also, these are the things which we have to soak before cooking it. First of all, already I have told you what is the meaning of soak. It means to keep in the water. उसको थोड़े टाइम पीरियड के लिए around for 5 to 7 hours we have to soak in a water. It means we have to keep in a water. Which items we are keeping in that? Chana, moong, rajma, pulses and rice. These are the items. Still more pulses will come. Any dal, which pulse? In pulses we can include any kind of dal. So here all these things soaked before cooking. हमें उसे cook करने से पहले soak करना पड़ता है. Now we have soaked. But what is the reason to soak it? So that is, these things become soft after soaking. Whenever we are keeping these things in the water, हम जब उसको पानी में भिगो कर रखते हैं, we are soaking in the water, that chana, moong, that pulses will become soft because of the water form. Water उनके अंदर चला जाता है and they are absorbing the water and they are becoming a, वो फूल जाते हैं, यानी वो थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं. It becomes, the size will become increase. So this is the thing that will become soft. उनका जो भी मटेरियल है, राजमा, मूंग, XYZ, that will be become soft after it soaking. Now this makes it easier to grind them and to cook them. It will be very easy for our parents, our mother, to make it more easily grind. यानी जैसे कि हम लोग कई बार करते हैं ना, चने की सब्जी बनाते हैं, और otherwise we have to make any टिक्कीज of chana, anything. So we have to grind them. अगर हमें grind करना है, so for that grind it should be of soft quality. वो soft होगा तभी वो हमसे grind होगा. We can grind it, or otherwise with the machine like hand mixer we can grind it easily. The दाल्स को हम लोग grind करते हैं. How it is possible? Because it is already soaked in the water. उसको soak करके soft कर दिया गया है. Now we can easily grind it or we can cook them also. हम उनको easily बहुत cook भी कर सकते हैं. This helps in saving the time and energy. Yes, this will help to our mother to save the time also and to save the energy also. See, if suppose I want to eat मूंग, तो मैं डायरेक्ट उसको नहीं खा सकती और डायरेक्टली आई कैन कीप इन अ कुकर एंड जस्ट आई विल कीप वाटर समिट और मैं उसको प्रेशर कुकर में सीटी लगाकर बना दूंगी. No, that is not possible. That will be tough task for my mother. Why? Because it is not soaked in under the water. उसको सोक करने से वो थोड़ा और सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा एंड whenever we will cook them, it will be more tasty and soft for us. हमारे लिए वो ज़्यादा टेस्टी और सॉफ्ट हो जाता है एंड yes, it will save the energy also. Our mother has not to do any kind of hard work to make it soft. Water can easily make these items very soft with the help of soaking. Okay? So आज के वीडियो में हमने क्या सीखा? different kind of seeds and why to soak the seeds that we have learned. In the next video, I will tell you about the sprouts. How the sprouts are getting done. कैसे sprouts बने जाते हैं? What is the process to make the sprouts? Okay? So thank you all of you.